Don't try anything you're about to see us do at home.
Ever.
Hello, YouTube. This is, I wonder if I should microwave this. Yeah. I'm your host, Brand Flakes. Don't know where my tripod is right now, but somewhere upstairs in my room. I can't see crap right now. But yeah, you might be wondering what I'm microwaving today. I am microwaving peanut butter. You might have seen it, you might have not. I can't remember. I don't want to look back. And as always, I have my beautiful microwave. She's kind of dirty. Beautiful microwave, Betty. I'm being microwaving peanut butter. Yeah. Yippity diddly do. Set for 5 minutes. Because of the slight interruption, and because you can barely see crap in this microwave while I microwave it. Watch, I'll show you a little test. Throw it in there. Still covered in Carmex. That's what she said. Ew, look at this sticky stuff. Ew. Ew. Ew, it's all over my hand. I know, I set that up completely. Don't accuse me of not knowing about it and being a retard. Start. Oh, never mind, you can see it. I'm going to center it just a little. Put it a little bit over there to the right. If you hear zapping noise, it's my fault. Just kidding. It's the microwave's fault. Flame. Sort ofness. Oh, I think there's some metal bits in the smells like crap, but I think there's some metal bits in the label. God, it's smoking. I'm gonna back up. And people have bugged me. Why don't you back up from your microwave? I'm like, because half of the stuff I do, like for right now, let's inspect the damage. Okay, nothing's happening except it's smoking like crazy. It's smoking and it smells bad. Let's get out of here. Smoking in. So, as I was saying, people always tell me, back the heck up. Well, that sucks balls, Flame. That sucks balls for you guys, because I'm not going to back up. Unless it's like a freaking water bottle, then no way. It's on fire. But this is seriously peanut butter. What can go wrong? What? There's nothing that can explode. If this thing explodes, I'm suing Deseret, or whatever the heck this peanut butter is from. Yes. Slide it forward. I picked up the first object I found. This is not very smart, but slide it forward towards that just a little. Lighter for the win. Wait, hold on. What is eyeball lighter? Even better. So if you're wondering what just happened, the cap flew off and it started oozing over. Oh, all the oils are spilling out. That's disgusting. Let's taste it. It's hot.
Yeah,
this wraps up a really awesome episode of I Wonder If I Should Microwave This. Shut up, Marley. And thank you for watching. Comment, rate, subscribe. Bye.